I'm sure you know the secret. I'm sure if you are seeing this video, you are a woodworker. And this is why I know for sure that you know this secret. Because this secret is not secret for us woodworkers. It's a secret for everyone else. So what I think is the biggest secret of woodworking is when we start a project, when we start a new build, when you just pick up some tools to start a new build. What goes on in our head? Because the flow state, the calmness, the headspace, for me that's the secret. Because if, for me, woodworking is like meditation, and I think this is the best secret of all. Because if you are not achieving a flow state, a headspace, a clear head when you are starting a new build, I'm sure that you are not a really good woodworker. Because in the end, you are making stuff, but in the long run, you will get tired of this. Because if you don't achieve the flow state, you are not focused enough, you are not concentrated enough. And I believe you want to. I believe you want to learn new things. But even for me, even in the beginning, I always find calmness in woodworking. I just start a project and I put my phones down and I listen to music, some techno, some just small, smooth music. But for me, it's very important, and it's the secret because no one else around me knows this. I don't tell this to anyone, but for me, this is like therapy. For me, woodworking is like a meditation because you are just doing a project for 5, 10 hours or even days, and every time you start your project, 5 minutes in, and you just think about this project. You forget all your problems, you forget everything that you need to do, you forget anything. For me, I need to put reminders because if not, I will just stay hours and hours working in some new project. I just yesterday started a new build and I just don't even remember how much time it took. It's very difficult for me to say, it took 3 hours or 4 hours, I don't know, because I don't count it. Because for me, it's enjoyment. And this for me is the secret of woodworking. I'm sure that if you are a woodworker, you know this secret. But if you don't know this secret, maybe you are not a woodworker. And maybe you need to find something else to do. Because woodworking should be this. You should start something with calmness, with a headspace. If not, maybe your projects won't turn out so good, or even if they do, you will get tired of them. So, I don't know if you really know this secret or not. I hope you do. If you do, please leave a comment and subscribe to my channel. Just let's get more people inspired by woodworking. Because woodworking is not really a fairy tale, but for me, it's the best way I have to spend my time working. So, if it's for you the same, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much.